Yeah, site visits. It was really useful, ma'am. Especially thankful. I'm very thankful to Redappa sir.
Hi, Shravan.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thanks. How about you?
Yes, I'm good, Shravan. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. So can you introduce about yourself, Shravan?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Shravan. I'm from Kurk, Madikeri, but I stay in Bangalore. I got graduated from Global Academy of Technology, which is at RR Nagar in 2023 batch. Uh, After that, I pursued my course in CMTI, Advanced Construction Management.
Fine. So what and all you learned in this training?
I learned many things for sure. Yes, ma'am. The things I didn't get to learn in my college, CMTI did really help me to learn many things. For example, material calculations, quality control, quality assurance, sequence of drawing, bar burning schedule, rate analysis, and so on. As per the industry requirement, CMTI helped me teach those things.
Okay, fine. So what about your site visits and all?
Yeah, site visits. It was really useful, ma'am. Especially thankful. I'm very thankful to Redappa sir. He guided us. He guided us. He showed us how the things are done on sites and how to handle those labors and how those materials were used and how the constructions were carried out. So when I got into job, those things were really useful. So yes, ma'am. Site visits given by Ashok sir was truly helpful for me.
Okay. So what about your trainers and all? How was they?
Trainers, they were really friendly. They helped me in every way, ma'am. They helped me clear the doubts as soon as possible. Uh, Especially Natarajan sir, Deepa ma'am. Whenever I missed out some classes, the Deepa ma'am helped me arrange those classes and the CMTI app. So CMTI app, it was really useful. Whenever I missed out some classes, I used to go through that CMTI app and learn those things again.
Fine. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
I'll highly recommend them to join CMTI because you get to learn things which haven't been taught in colleges. CMTI does really help teach you things which are required by the industries at present situation. So, yes, ma'am.
Fine. So Sharon, just tell me, how was Ashok sir guidance and all? So how was he with you throughout the process?
Ashok sir, truly a wonderful person, ma'am. Sir guided me in a right path. He showed me what things should be done and how it should be done. I'm really thankful to Ashok sir. Ashok sir, ma'am.
So thank you, Sharon. Thank you so much for your feedback, and surely all the best for your upcoming days. And thank you. Thank you, Sharon.
Thank you, ma'am.